Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is one of the most highly anticipated releases in Canon's mirrorless lineup, promising significant advancements for both photographers and videographers. This next-generation camera is expected to push the boundaries of sensor technology, autofocus precision, video capabilities, and processing power. If the rumors hold, the R6 Mark III could become one of the most versatile and high-performing cameras in its class, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features anticipated in the Canon R6 Mark III is the introduction of a 24-megapixel stacked backside illuminated sensor, potentially adapted from the higher-end Canon EOS R3. This type of sensor offers lightning-fast data readout, significantly reducing rolling shutter distortion, an issue that has long plagued fast-moving photography and video capture. Sports photographers, action shooters, and filmmakers will likely appreciate this upgrade, as it enables clearer and more precise image capture, even in high-speed scenarios. Canon has been making notable strides in video performance with its recent mirrorless models, and the R6 Mark III is rumored to build upon these advancements. Speculation suggests that this camera may support 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for high-quality slow-motion footage, a feature highly sought after by filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators. Additionally, the potential for 6K RAW recording could push the R6 Mark III into professional filmmaking territory, especially if it includes CF Express card support for rapid data transfer and high-resolution recording flexibility. The inclusion of Canon log profiles would allow for a flatter color profile, maximizing dynamic range, preserving shadow, and highlighting detail for superior post-production control. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system has long been praised for its speed and precision, and the R6 Mark III is expected to introduce even more advanced subject detection capabilities. Enhanced AI-driven autofocus may enable the camera to recognize and track a broader range of subjects, including animals, vehicles, and even more nuanced facial features. This would be a game-changer for wildlife and sports photographers who rely on quick and accurate focus for capturing decisive moments. Additionally, the improved eye and face detection will be beneficial for portrait photographers, ensuring tack-sharp images with natural-looking depth. Another major upgrade could come in the form of a more powerful Digic-X processor, the backbone of Canon's latest high-performance cameras. This processor is responsible for handling image processing, noise reduction, autofocus calculations, and video encoding. An enhanced version of the Digic-X could lead to faster shooting speeds, improved high ISO performance, and overall better image quality in challenging lighting conditions. If Canon includes an expanded buffer and burst mode capabilities, the R6 Mark III may become one of the top choices for photographers who need continuous shooting reliability. As for ergonomics and build quality, the R6 Mark III is expected to maintain Canon's signature design language, offering a comfortable and durable body suited for professionals on the go. It may feature a refined grip, improved button placement, and an upgraded electronic viewfinder with higher resolution and refresh rates. Weather sealing enhancements would also be welcome additions, ensuring that the camera can handle various shooting conditions. Price-wise, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is speculated to fall within the $2,500 to $3,000 range, positioning it competitively against offerings from Sony, Nikon, and Fujifilm. This pricing makes it an appealing option for serious enthusiasts and professionals who want high-end features without jumping to flagship-tier models. The anticipated announcement for the R6 Mark III is expected in 2025. However, the timing of this launch is critical. Canon must balance the release carefully to avoid alienating recent buyers of the R6 Mark II, while also ensuring that the new model stands out against its competitors. If executed correctly, the R6 Mark III could significantly elevate the mirrorless market, offering one of the best performance-to-value ratios available. Meanwhile, another surprising rumor has been making waves: the potential release of the Canon EOS -1 rupee, a retro-inspired mirrorless camera. Canon, known for its innovation and deep-rooted legacy in photography, appears to be considering a design that blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. The -1 rupee is rumored to draw inspiration from the legendary Canon A1, a beloved film camera known for its timeless design. This move could tap into the nostalgia-driven demand for cameras that provide a tactile, classic shooting experience while incorporating cutting-edge digital imaging capabilities. Further fueling speculation, whispers suggest that the -1 rupee may also take cues from the quirky Canon QL-17G3, a 1970s-era compact rangefinder with a distinctive asymmetrical design. If true, this would indicate a bold departure from the standard mirrorless camera aesthetics, potentially resulting in a product that merges retro charm with futuristic appeal. With its unique curves and contours, the -1 rupee could be a standout piece in a market dominated by uniform, streamlined designs. Beyond its looks, the -1 rupee is rumored to feature impressive technical specifications, including an APS-C sensor for a more compact and travel-friendly experience, a vari-angle LCD for enhanced usability, and possibly even a 24-megapixel full-frame sensor for those seeking superior image quality. If these features come to fruition, the -1 rupee could be more than just a nostalgia-driven experiment. It could be a functional and highly desirable tool for photographers of all levels. Canon has not officially confirmed the -1 rupee, but company executives have acknowledged the growing interest in retro-style cameras. In a recent interview, a Canon representative hinted that they are actively exploring designs that pay homage to the brand's rich photographic history. This statement has only fueled further anticipation, with debates emerging about whether the -1 rupee is a brilliant move or an impractical novelty. Photographers and enthusiasts remain divided. Some see the -1 rupee as a refreshing break from modern mirrorless trends, bringing back the joy of analog-inspired shooting, while others question its practicality in an industry driven by technological efficiency. Regardless of opinions, if Canon does move forward with the -1 rupee, it has the potential to disrupt the market by offering a fresh perspective on what a digital camera can be. As the photography world eagerly awaits more information, one thing is certain: Canon continues to innovate, whether through high-performance cameras like the EOS R6 Mark III or unexpected designs like the rumored -1 rupee. With the mirrorless camera market evolving rapidly, these upcoming releases could redefine the landscape for both professionals and hobbyists. Stay tuned for more updates, and let me know in the comments. Are you excited about the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, or does the retro-inspired -1 rupee intrigue you more? Let's discuss it. Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and camera news.